Hey there, do you want to make money with YouTube Shorts and get paid thousands of dollars every single day? Using this simple software, take a look at this.
Use me to make money with YouTube Shorts.
This software can help you make hundreds of dollars every single day without recording and using your voice, without filming your own face, without even creating any of your own content or recording any of your own content. You can go and make thousands of dollars a day with these two strategies that I'm going to show you on YouTube Shorts. I'm going to show you a niche where somebody's doing this and making way more than thousands of dollars a day, up to $146,000 every single month. They are getting anywhere between 120 and 250,000 views every single day, which is a total revenue of anywhere between 1.4K and over $4,600 every single day using this YouTube short strategy. The best part, this is not their only stream of income. You can use this second strategy that I'm going to show you that I've been using on my YouTube Shorts channel to generate over $400 to $600 a day with Clickbank affiliate products in the description of my videos. And if you want to make serious money with YouTube Shorts, I suggest that you seriously pay attention to this video. This is going to be super in-depth each and every step that I'm going to explain throughout this video on exactly how I run my YouTube Shorts channel. But without further ado, we're not going to waste any time and let's get straight into it. What's going on, fellow entrepreneurs? Jay here from the Millennium Mindset YouTube channel. On this channel, I'm documenting my daily journey. So if you want to follow my daily journey on how I make money online, I'm posting tutorials every single day. Make sure to subscribe down below with the red notification bell so that I can send you a message every time I upload an epic video just like this one. But over here on my screen, we're going to dive straight in, is the hashtag shorts category on YouTube. And over here, you can see currently the latest and the most trending YouTube shorts videos. And like I said in the beginning of this video, I'm going to show you a software that you can go and use to make these simple YouTube Shorts videos and get hundreds of thousands of views every single day, running your own YouTube Shorts channel and also using Clickbank affiliate commissions to double down and even double your income with this. I just quickly want to explain what a YouTube short video is. So firstly, a YouTube short video is a portrait video on YouTube with the hashtag shorts in the title that is less than 60 seconds long. So if you post a video that is longer than 60 seconds, it won't be deemed as a YouTube short video. That is why it is important to understand what a YouTube short is in order for your videos to get listed on the YouTube Shorts app where all the virality happens. The second part of this video, I'm going to explain what categories you should use for YouTube Shorts. So what I recommend is you should go and use a all general knowledge hashtag shorts tutorials channel. So you can just go hashtag shorts in the search bar plus tutorials. Click on enter over here and we can go and find little tutorials on YouTube. And over here, a simple example I found is the shoulder plane secrets for a great golf swing. This is actually a similar video to what I made using a Clickbank product teaching you how to create or develop the perfect golf swing. This specific channel over here get 14K views in just 4 weeks. These kind of views are really realistic. You don't need to be a big channel to get a lot of YouTube Shorts views. You can literally get 100,000 views overnight. It is very similar to the virality of TikTok right now. So I really recommend pay attention and capitalize on this kind of virality. So what you can go do is you can type in the search bar hashtag shorts golf swing. You can just remove all the text and you want to have a look at these top categories over here. So just type hashtag shorts plus. You've got fitness, weight loss, travel. These are recommended categories that are getting the most clicks and searches from bottom to top. From top to bottom that you should consider going and starting. So you've got fitness, weight loss, travel, gadgets, affiliate marketing, motivation, the keto diet, luxury, woodworking, dog training, make money online, meditation. So the exact specific category I'm going to go and use is a tutorials channel. This could be tutorials on how to cook specific dishes, tutorials on how to perform the perfect golf swing, how to hold a cricket bat, how to play tennis, how to play the forearm in ping pong, how to throw darts. A general knowledge tutorial channel is the kind of channel that I'm going to use for the example of this video, and I'm going to use the example of the golf swing. And this is going to lead to our next step, is going to identify specific keywords on how to rank our YouTube Shorts videos even higher in the algorithm to obviously optimize our videos for virality. So the exact tool that I'm going to be using is keywordtool.io/YouTube. So you can come over to this link over here, and all you want to do is on the YouTube search bar, you want to search a specific keyword. And we can type here, how to swing a golf club. And we can go and click on search over here, and we want to go and search keywords on how to swing a golf club. So over here, you've got how to swing a golf club for beginners, for the female, like the pros, better, Rick Shields from the inside without hurting your back, left-handed at a driving range, after a spinal infusion, with a strong grip, as a beginner, basics. So these are all keywords that this tool is recommending for you from bottom to top to go and rank for and title your YouTube Shorts videos on YouTube to ultimately hit the top pages for these specific keywords to get the most virality and views as possible. As views with YouTube Shorts means revenue and Clickbank affiliate sales. Let's just quickly take another example and type in here keto recipe and see what pops up. So click on search over here on the keto recipe keyword under the YouTube. So over here you can go and see some of the top recommended keywords to go and rank for. Keto recipes easy, keto recipes South Africa, keto recipes breakfast, dessert with almond flour, Indian with chicken, with ground beef, with chicken breast, sour cream, meal prep, TikTok with eggplants. So these are all specific keywords that you should go and create content on in the YouTube Shorts section to go and rank for these keywords that are lacking competition but getting a lot of views, meaning there's not a lot of people making content under these titles, but there's a lot of people searching for them. So this is a great tool to go and identify keywords to go and rank for the top pages of YouTube Shorts. This is going to lead us to the next step. We need to go and find a website to put our content together. That is simple. We're going to use Google and we're just going to search how to swing a golf club. Click on enter and we want to go find a step-by-step tutorial that is an article on how to swing a golf club. So we can go and use wikihow.com, how to swing a golf club, and we can actually go and use these pictures on WikiHow and text over here to turn into a YouTube Shorts video. And scroll down and have a look at each and every step. For example, number 4, bend your knees slightly. Simple number 5, whichever grip you choose. So I will just choose the first step over here and we can go and take notes and keep this WikiHow tab on how to swing a golf club in this tab open right now because we're going to come back to this later and use it later. The next step is we're going to go and put our YouTube Shorts video together using this voice to text tool to automate our entire YouTube Shorts. So the first step is we need to click on mobile video on the top right over here because the mobile video is already in the YouTube Shorts resolution at 1080 by 1920. And over here you will see a blank template and we want to keep this blank and we're going to go and put this video together. Firstly, we want to come over to wikihow.com and use step number 1. So I'm going to go and create a folder on my PC and I'm going to call it golf swing steps. Click on enter. I recommend save folders like this. Open this folder up, right click, save this image to the golf swing steps folder and name this as step 1. Click on enter. Let's go and scroll down to step 2. Open this up in a new tab. Right click, save, and type in step 2. Same with step 3 and 4. Once this is done, come back to Canva and click on uploads on the left. You want to click on upload media and click on device. Come over to the golf swing steps folder that you've created and upload each and every step from step 1 to step 4 and click on open. Over here on the left, you will see each and every step upload to Canva. Firstly, we want to click on step number 1 over here and drag this to our first slide and just spread this to full screen in the center like this. Click on new slide over here, add step number 2 like this, and again drag this to where it's full screen, just where your viewers can see this image in the middle like this. Again, add a new page over here, click on step 3 and it will pop up on your Canva page and just drag this open to the center of the page like this. One more page and this is going to be step number 4, which is the last and final step. Open this up full screen until it's in the center like this. Now all we want to go and do is we want to go and turn just the heading over here. Heading number 1, start with your foot front slightly ahead of the ball. So we just want to go and copy this title over here. Right click, copy, and you want to come over to this tool over here called voicemaker.in. This is an automatic text to voice generator. So just click on start number 1, start with your front foot slightly ahead of the ball and click on download and click on convert to speech.
1. Start with your front foot slightly ahead of the ball.
Type number 2 and go and copy the second title over here, which you can just go and copy and paste like this. So go and copy, come back to VoiceMaker and paste step number 2. Make sure that you've got the full stop at the end of each sentence to remain good grammar. Again, click on number 3, full stop, space, and go and copy step number 3, which is check your alignment. And finally, number 4, go and copy the 4th step, which is bend your knees slightly. And take a look at this. You want to click on convert to speech.
1. Start with your front foot slightly ahead of the ball. 2. Get close enough to the ball so that the middle of the club face reaches the ball with your arms out straight but still relaxed. 3. Check your alignment. 4. Bend your knees slightly.
And finally, click on download MP4 over here so it will download to your PC. Come back to Canva on your blank canvas over here. Click on uploads again, click on audio and click on upload media and select the voice to MP3 file that you've just created and click on open. Now all we need to go and do is we need to go and add some text. So click on text on the left, click on add a subheading and you want to drag this to the top. And all we're going to do for the text is we're going to copy again, number 1, from this voice to text generator that we pasted. We need to make sure that the steps are typed the same so that it syncs up with the voice. So we're going to come back to Canva over here and we're just going to paste this over here. Just like that. Perfect. For scene number 2, we're going to go and copy number 2 like this. We're going to come back to the text, add a subheading, drag it to the top and paste this over here. Okay, so this picture we can just move down a little bit so that step 2 can fit at the top. For number 3, exact same process. Copy step 3, come back to your Canva template. Oops, I actually just need to delete that. Number 3 over here, add a subheading, drag it to the top and paste step number 3. And remember, and number 4, bend your knees slightly. And over here, just add a subheading and click on 4 over here. And then what you want to do is at the bottom of each and every one of these templates, just add another subheading like this and just type here, link in bio for pro golf swing course, for private pro golf swing course like this. And at the bottom of each and every tab, you want to make sure you type link in bio for private pro golf swing course. So we can just copy this entire thing. Number two, paste that over here. Same with number 3, right click, just paste this again. And number 4 as well, right click and paste again. And that is perfect. And take a look at this. All you want to do is then just set the timer according to the voice. So you can see over here that the first step ends after 3.6 seconds. So that means we need to click on number 1, click on the timer and just type 3.6 over here. For number 2, just click on your voice again and you can see that number 2 goes from 3.6 all the way to 10.8. So that is about 7 seconds. So we need to click on number 2, just type in, I would say 7, click on enter. For number 3, we need to click back on the voice. We can see number 3 starts here at 10.8 and ends at, I would say 13.5. So this one we can make 3 seconds like that. And number 4 again is just bend your knees slightly. So we're going to click on the sound again. We can see number 4 goes from 13.5 all the way to 15.7. So again, number 4, we can make 3 seconds. Take a look at your complete video here.
1. Start with your front foot slightly ahead of the ball. 2. Get close enough to the ball so that the middle of the club face reaches the ball with your arms out straight but still relaxed. 3. Check your alignment. 4. Bend your knees slightly.
And just like that, your video is now complete. Click on download on the top right and click on download as an MP4 video, and this done for your YouTube short video will be downloaded directly to your PC. The next step is we need to go and upload our video to YouTube and optimize it best for the YouTube algorithm. Come over to YouTube, click on the create tab on the top right and click on upload video. And open this tab and click on select files and upload this done for you YouTube Shorts video that we just created in Canva and click on open and it will upload to YouTube over here. For the title, you want to type master your golf swing in 4 easy steps. Put in brackets golf swing tutorial and type hashtag shorts. Before we continue with our description, we need to go and get our affiliate link to our Clickbank product. So if you come over to Clickbank over here and you scroll down and you click and you look for the sports category over here, you will see here, this is the exact product, the stress-free golf swing. Let me click on this landing page to show you that you don't need to create landing pages, you don't need to create a website, all of this is done for you. So here you can see is the consistent golf, 7 shortcuts to instantly improve your ball striking, which they can start here completely for free, which then upsells them to an entire private golf swing course where you will make $41.76 per commission. So over here, we need to go and copy this title, the stress-free pro golf swing, paste this in the description, and we need to go and copy our affiliate link, click on promote, click on generate hot links, copy this link close this tab, come over to bit.ly and click on enter over here and just go and shorten your URL, paste your long URL like this and click on shorten, copy this new shortened URL and come back to your YouTube video and paste this over here. So here you can see is your description. This is all you want. For your thumbnail of your video, what's nice about YouTube Shorts, you can just go and select any one of the defaults over here. They're still busy processing, as you can see over here, so this will show up in a bit. For your playlist, go and create a, for example, sports playlist. For your tags, you just want to go and type golf, golf tips, golf swing, and we want to go and type how to swing a golf club, golf swing tutorial, and you can type, for example, hashtag shorts, and you can use this as your tags over here. Now that this video has been created with the perfect title, your description with your affiliate link and the tags to optimize your video, this video is ready to go and post it. I recommend click on next over here. Click on next over here. If your channel is monetized, you can set up your monetization. And once that's done, go and post this video publicly. And just like that, guys, you want to post like this every single day consistently. YouTube favors creators that post consistently as YouTube is a business. If you as a content creator can get more views to YouTube, YouTube will reward you with more virality as it's a win-win. You giving YouTube business, they giving you more views. So I really recommend if you want to do this and really work hard at this, do this consistently. Don't post for 2 weeks and then give up and then start posting a month later. You want to post every single day, I would say at least for a year. If you post tutorials like this every single day for a year, I'm going to set you the challenge of hitting your first 100,000 subscribers. I really think this is possible. In fact, it's actually super easy with the help that I just showed you from this YouTube video. So if you want to get tons of more help with creating YouTube videos, promoting your YouTube channel, and blowing up as a content creator, click on this playlist over here. It will give you tons of advice on how to grow on YouTube. It's my best videos that I've uploaded on my channel with the tutorials on how to grow on YouTube. So make sure to click over here and I'll see you there.